Right now, this is a wrestling clinic from pure control from the top.
Gotta clear that leg.
The hip work by Torres is phenomenal. Keith Peterson's right on top. There's no getting your knees to your chest right now, unfortunately. Allen's in a tough spot. Look how smooth, like Allen was trying to roll, and Brian Torres' hips just kind of stay on top, floating. Yeah, he just gonna has to get that out to the side, and he's got it. Torres is just, yeah, he's hanging in there. Could be, but you can just tell Torres is wrestling and grappling is just far more superior. When you get to this level of just grappling and wrestling, it's just a different level, as you know, being a black belt yourself. Another phenomenal wrestler. This is about to end any second. He's just trying to grab a head. Yup. And Torres is just dropping. It's not much. It's a little paper shot, but yeah. They're connecting. Round number 2 is about to conclude. Allen, hang on. This could be a 10-8 round. Let's see how it could be. There you have it. Round number 2 in the books.